I was meeting with some writers, and they were writing about things they like and love. And we got to talking about their toys. And it made me think, I wonder how many other kids like toys that are by Nerf. Nerf footballs and Nerf guns and Nerf arrows and all the things that they were telling me about that they love with Nerf. Or Legos. It seemed like a lot of them were talking about all kinds of ways to use Legos, even in sets or just in pieces, and that they loved building with those. And then some of them were talking about stuffies too. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to go collect some data on that. So the next couple groups that I pulled, I asked them about their favorite toys. And so that's my title. Today, let's warm up for math by looking at the results. Are you ready? I only gave the people that I asked the question, what are your favorite toys? I only gave them 3 choices: Nerf, Legos, or Stuffies. So if it was something different, I would say, well, what's your favorite of these 3? Can you look at my chart and see how many children liked Nerf? Mathematicians, did you see it right away? It's tally marks and they're bundled in 5s, right? 5 liked Nerf. Well, how many liked Legos? What are you thinking? Okay, did you count up? That's how I got it too. Did you do it differently? Did you count all? That's a possibility. 5, 6, 7. 7 liked Legos. And how many liked Stuffies? 3, you're right. So we could start looking at this data and we can right away say which toy was the favorite to most of the children I asked. Do you see how 7 is 2 more than 5, right? So Legos is the most favorite toy of these 3 of the groups I asked. What's the least favorite of these toys? Did you see Stuffies? Only 3. But that doesn't mean it's the least favorite for everyone. It just means it's the least favorite for the kids that I asked for this data. I wonder if I asked more kids, if my data would change. It would, wouldn't it, mathematicians? All right, I'm going to ask a question and you say you would add or subtract. Are you ready? What if I wanted to find out how many children chose Nerf or Stuffies as their favorite toys? Add or subtract? I hope you said add. Why would you add? Did you explain that? Maybe you said because you're finding how many all together. Or maybe you're saying that you were combining them or finding a total. You're right. All right, mathematicians, maybe you'll make a chart and think about the math and then think about what you could add and what you could subtract. We're warmed up and ready to go.